Hey guys, John Paul from YES here. I'm just doing a few prints here for football shirts, sublimation. So we've got a football club local to us that we're just doing some prints for, as some testing, and just trying to help out. And we're going to be putting these images straight onto a sublimated football kit. And that's where you join me right now. So we're just printing the logo now. It's a mixture of color and white ink. And we're going to put it onto some green and black and orange kits, and that's what we did earlier. So yeah, just a quick short video on how you do prints to go onto sublimated garments today. So as you can see here, guys, we've done the sponsor logo in the middle. We're now printing the left chest club badge and the number as well. So this is we're printing here Woodhouse Colts logo, and it's number 7 to start with. And literally, there you go, we got gold there, look, the gold color, nice gold in there as well. So just a few fun facts while we're watching this printing at the minute on the 24H2. So we're on the 24H2 from Coldesi. We can get up to 20 linear meters per hour on this machine, depending on the resolution, of course. But as a machine goes, it's super reliable. Twin print heads, I-series heads, and it prints 62 centimeter wide rolls. Okay guys, so now you can see the prints coming through the oven, again being pulled through with the vacuum system and the belt dryer, and it's currently being re-rolled as well at this time. Right guys, so I just want to show you the application for sublimated football kits. So we're going to go with green and black first. We're going to use a logo. Now we normally embroider this actually, because obviously a lot of people like embroidery. So in this case I'm just going to quickly put a sticker on there. Well, not a sticker, but a DTF transfer, obviously. Okay, I'm then going to put the, let's get this the right way around first, sponsor logo in the middle. Okay, just going to use a piece of nice parchment paper over the top, drop that in, and with this wonderful Fusion IQ Hottronics press, take that out. We're going to peel that off nice and easy. Do the same with that as well. There we go. And as you can see here, nothing left behind. Nice. What we're then going to do is just press that again, just to get wash fastness, because you know what kids are like with football. And here we go. That is what you should expect on a sublimated garment. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take this off and we're going to put the back logo on. In this case, it's our number 7. Yeah, I'm just going to do this tubular. One of the great benefits of the Fusion IQ is that you can do things tubular, which is fantastic. You can repress over the top, but yeah, I like to just do it a little bit professional. There we go. Drop that number 7 in. A lot of people always say, did you get it right? Is it centralized? Blah, blah, blah. Well, I just use the straight edge here with the straight edge here, and again at the bottom. Get that center. I'm looking at the neckline nicely in the position here. Again, I'm just going to use my parchment on the top. Now this was actually set for a slightly different time, so I'm just going to take that off. One print, again, nothing on there. And we'll just get that in there. Back in there to seal off. Now, one of the great things is that we've now got a beautiful football finish. Top, well, there we go. So not only in the front, but also on the back.